Ladies and gentlemen, this is Prizes TV. I say this is Prizes TV, and we are here once more. We are here in Imo State because of this beautiful news that has just reached us, and the news is about this Imo Digital City Limited building, which is about to be finished. There is work going on the project, and why I'm here is that I promise my viewers that I will be coming with updates immediately I see any change at the site, and below and behold there is a big change right now at the site, and that is the reason we are here. If you check, you can see Uzodimma, the governor of Imo State, who has been trying very well these last 2 years. Believe me, I never in my life believed that Uzodimma would do so well at ending of his tenure, but he surprised everybody, including me. Okay, so especially about this project which I am here for. Based on what I have seen in Nigeria, this is the only place that I would go and think that I am abroad. You know, I used to laugh at Imo State that most of the buildings they have is peak roof. See, peak roof here, peak roof building there, peak roof also here. But see the building that caused the change, flat roofs. And when I saw this, I was marveled. There are different kind of buildings here, and they are all flat roofs. See how beautiful it looks. On my comment section, somebody was telling me, no, peak roof is good, it's beautiful. What is beautiful? Do you compare these three buildings you see here with what you are seeing by the right side? Never. If you roof this building into peak roof, they will all be destroyed. The beauty will go. And the Uzodimma know exactly what I'm talking about. Because based on what I see here, this is the most beautiful area. Whether you call it industrial estate or you call it estate, you call it a city, this is the only place I have seen that look like abroad 100%. I did not know that Uzodimma would deliver such a project, and he delivered it so beautifully. As we continue going, see the area. Well, for some of you who have not been following me, you must know that I have another video done about this site. I have gone through the site everywhere, but my own is that once any new thing comes out, I will come and say it, because based on me, this is the biggest project of Uzodimma. This place surpassed both the flyover, international conference, and the road. For many reasons. Because here is going to create a lot of employment. Here is where they will be doing some printings, so on and so forth. All the professional printers will be here. Anything you want to print about, whether on vehicle, whether on signboard, whether on clothes, whether each of them, bags, shoes, in everything. Signboard, big, better one, they are all be printed here. And why did Uzodimma visit there? Well, Uzodimma visited the location because new machine arrived. All these machines, they are all made for the same purposes. This place is known as Digital Center. That is why it is called Imo Digital City Limited. Digital City. Any smart printing is going to be done here. Difficult ones, they are going to be done here, including painting cars, writing on cars, painting house. These people, they are ready to take over anything digital, including writing this type of font. That is a good news. That is a good news. So let's go and take a look about the new things that have just arrived. This is a new machine. It has not been used. It is going to be for printing, maybe for printing big posters that are on Express. This one, we have seen it, but not as clear as this, because all these images you are seeing is actually from Uzodimma, and it looks amazing. It looks amazing, and because that is one thing about contemporary architecture. Once the building is beautiful, everybody began to look beautiful. You know, these people began to, their color changed because of the building. That is why I promote modern building. Modern building is the best. So this is the house. Remember, this is like an estate, and it is very big, different locations and different departments as well. So here is for CCTV that actually monitor whatever that is happening within the environment. This is CCTV, you cannot go there and steal, or no, it's impossible. Here is the class where they teach them how to operate some machines when it arrives. Like some of all these machines that have arrived, they will have to teach the workers how they are and how to operate them before they will start working with it. So as we continue seeing beautiful things. My own is just to show you what we have today. And over here is Uzodimma smiling. That is beautiful. Believe me, I like this building a lot. Everything here is Man, marvelous. See the kind design they give to the call center. This place is where to make call and so on and so forth. And here is media. Like if you want to interview the director or the governor or whoever that is there already, they will do your interview here, your experience and so on and so forth. And they cast it online for people to see. So here is what is digital printing. Okay, here is where the printing is going to take place. Here is mechanic, because this place is not only made for printing alone, it's also made for cars. Modern car these days, when you take modern car to mechanic doesn't search what happened to car. They fix a kind of computer and a software will indicate all the problem the car has and they will fix it. That is exactly what Uzodimma built here. You see this computer can detect anything that is worrying your vehicle. It does not matter any part. You are not going to move the vehicle. They will just socket it and it will begin to shake, say, this vehicle is shaking one side. The problem is the tire. The back tire has a problem because the shaking is coming from the rear tire. Or the vehicle is making noise because everything on the vehicle, because modern vehicle has computer inside. Whatever it is happening, it is registering it. And that is exactly what Uzodimma do here. This is really abroad. This is abroad in Igbo land. Wow, something that nobody ever expected. There are so many machines here, but I can't tell what it is. Okay, so and they are all big, but based on the way it is, it will look like printing because most of the things they will be doing here are printings of different form. Good one, beautiful ones. Printing, I mean, is big one like this one. Okay, so and even bigger than that. Most of the people who will be doing election campaign, they will be visiting here every day. Every day, believe me. Politicians will be here 247. Wow, this is very good news. So this is Uzodimma and going around the product that they have just purchased with other people. And this one is the one I talked about, which I talk about peak roof, which I tell my people, don't build peak roof again. See the difference. See the difference. Imagine if it had been this peak roof that Uzodimma built here and come to commission it. I will not even talk about it, believe me. And that is the reason I didn't like conference center. Nobody is hanging that international conference center on their Facebook because it's peak roof. It's peak roof. When this project, which is this digital city, finish, many people will be coming here to take picture, including me. I can go here and take picture. But International Conference Center look like a church because of peak roof. Peak roof. Or call it hip roof as you like, or peak roof. Any of them, they are the name. It's not good. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. Please, any government projects must not be peak roof. Never. Never. If you do that, you do a cheap work and ugly work. Very, very ugly work. This is how public house is supposed to look. Beautiful. Beautiful. How I wish I will manage an estate, I will build houses like this for living. Not exactly this way, but something that look like this. So these are the printing, and this is machine that they use for printing and so on and so forth. And also they use a 3D machine to print out whatever they want to do. So, and also to print on the bags. I said it earlier that Abba is going to be visiting here because made in Abba shoe, made in Abba bag, made in Abba everything will be printed and everything will be written here. So here is also printing for newspapers or for any information or for anything will be printed here. This is just very good. It's just very good. Believe me, nobody know what this guy did until when the effects begin to emerge. I have also read on the newspaper that it will employ at least maybe over 1,000 people will be working here directly and indirectly, which is true. And when you begin to create employment like this, then crime will be reducing because who are the criminals? The people who don't have work are the criminals. Once they have work, crime go. Igbo land now is getting better. Why? All the governors are working. The children are building house, constructing houses, cleaning the houses, going to school, expecting to work in a place like this. No more carrying flag everywhere and be protesting because no. Think about future. Think about future. And glory be to God that God has just given Igbo people good governance. Believe me, I don't know how it happened, but it's something that needs to be celebrated. Well, this is the end of my video today. My comment today is to show you that there is a new thing that happened there. Uzodimma has installed the CCTV to make sure that nothing missed there. So if you go there, you are actually going to be seen here. But nobody is going to stop you from walking around. But if you touch anything that is supposed to be touched, you are not coming out from the gate. Believe me, that is what this is. That our people are not turning into Igbo. Igbo people's supermarket. You go there, nobody will talk to you. Nobody. You can go to a line and see nobody. Look back, look for nobody. You think you can take one bread? Somebody in a room like this is watching you. Watch. If you take anything, they come, they grab you. That is exactly what Uzodimma did here. Very, very nice work. Well, I'm going to stop here because I like this place a lot. Believe me, if I continue talking about here, I can talk about here till tomorrow. And if anything happens, you will see me back here again. Thank you very much for watching. I know it that you've been watching Price TV. I will be giving you updates about this place until it is completed.